Hello, friends. Today you'll see how actors of the Thorn Birds have changed. You'll know their original names and age. I will show you how they look then in 1983 and how they look now in 2024. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Richard Chamberlain, born on March 31st, 1934, is an esteemed American actor known for his versatile performances across film, television, and stage. One of his most iconic roles came in the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, where he portrayed Father Ralph de Bricassart, a conflicted Catholic priest entangled in a forbidden love affair with Meggie Cleary, played by Rachel Ward. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Chamberlain was 49 years old, bringing depth and nuance to the complex character of Father Ralph, earning critical acclaim and cementing his status as a leading man in Hollywood. Beyond The Thorn Birds, Chamberlain has enjoyed a diverse and prolific career in entertainment. One of his notable film roles came in the romantic drama Dr. Kildare, 1961, where he portrayed the titular character, Dr. James Kildare, marking the beginning of his journey to stardom. As of March 26, 2024, Richard Chamberlain is 89 years old. In addition to his acting career, Chamberlain is also an accomplished author, having penned several autobiographical and fictional works. Rachel Ward, born on September 12, 1957, is an Australian actress known for her captivating performances in film and television. In the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, Ward portrayed the central character of Meggie Cleary, a young woman entangled in a forbidden love affair with Father Ralph de Bricassart, played by Richard Chamberlain. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Ward was 25 years old, showcasing her talent and maturity in bringing Meggie's complex emotions and struggles to life, earning widespread acclaim for her portrayal. Beyond The Thorn Birds, Ward has appeared in numerous other notable films throughout her career. One of her standout performances came in the romantic drama Against All Odds, 1984, where she starred opposite Jeff Bridges, portraying the enigmatic and alluring Jesse Weiler. As of March 26, 2024, Rachel Ward is 66 years old, continuing to captivate audiences with her talent and grace on screen. Barbara Stanwyck, born on July 16, 1907, was an iconic American actress known for her remarkable talent and enduring legacy in Hollywood. In the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, Stanwyck portrayed Mary Carson, the wealthy and influential owner of Drogheda, the Australian sheep station where much of the series takes place. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Stanwyck was 76 years old, showcasing her unparalleled acting skills and commanding presence on screen. While The Thorn Birds is one of her memorable roles, Stanwyck had a prolific career spanning over 6 decades, with numerous acclaimed performances in film and television. One of her most notable films came in the classic noir Double Indemnity, 1944, where she starred opposite Fred MacMurray, portraying the seductive and manipulative Phyllis Dietrichson. Stanwyck's portrayal of Phyllis earned her critical acclaim and solidified her status as one of Hollywood's leading actresses. Barbara Stanwyck passed away on January 20, 1990, at the age of 82, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and influence generations of actors and filmmakers. Stanwyck's talent, versatility, and dedication to her craft set her apart as a true legend of the silver screen. Brian Brown, born on June 23, 1947, is an acclaimed Australian actor known for his versatility and charismatic screen presence. In the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, Brown portrayed Luke O'Neill, a rugged and independent sheep shearer caught in a love triangle with the main character, Meggie Cleary, played by Rachel Ward. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Brown was 36 years old, bringing maturity and depth to the role of Luke, capturing the complexities of love and desire amidst the sweeping Australian landscape. Beyond The Thorn Birds, Brown has left an indelible mark on the film industry with his diverse and memorable performances. One of his standout roles came in the Australian crime drama Breaker Morant, 1980, where he portrayed Lieutenant Peter Hancock, a soldier facing a court-martial during the Second Anglo-Boer War. Brown's portrayal of Hancock earned him critical acclaim and solidified his reputation as one of Australia's finest actors. As of March 26, 2024, Brian Brown is 76 years old. Jean Simmons, born on January 31, 1929, was a British actress known for her grace, versatility, and talent. In the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, Simmons portrayed the character Fiona "Fee" Cleary, the matriarch of the Cleary family. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Simmons was 54 years old, bringing maturity and depth to her portrayal of Fee, capturing the character's strength, resilience, and complex family dynamics amidst the Australian outback. While The Thorn Birds is one of her notable roles, Simmons had a prolific career in film and television. One of her most iconic performances came in the classic film Spartacus, 1960, where she starred opposite Kirk Douglas as Varinia, a slave woman who becomes the love interest of Spartacus. Simmons' portrayal of Varinia showcased her ability to embody characters with grace and empathy, earning her critical acclaim and establishing her as a leading actress of her generation. As of March 26, 2024, Jean Simmons passed away on January 22, 2010, at the age of 80. Mare Winningham, born on May 16, 1959, is a talented American actress known for her versatility and emotional depth on screen. In the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, Winningham portrayed the character Justine O'Neill, the sensitive daughter of the Cleary family. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Winningham was 24 years old, showcasing her remarkable talent and maturity in bringing Justine's complex journey of love and heartbreak to life. While The Thorn Birds remains one of her notable roles, Winningham has had a prolific career in film and television. One of her standout performances came in the acclaimed drama Georgia, 1995, where she portrayed the troubled musician Georgia Flood, earning her an Academy Award nomination for Best Supporting Actress. As of March 26, 2024, Mare Winningham is 64 years old, continuing to captivate audiences with her nuanced performances and dedication to her craft. In addition to her acting career, Winningham is also an accomplished singer-songwriter and musician, known for her soulful vocals and introspective songwriting. She has released several albums and has performed at renowned venues across the country, showcasing her talent beyond the realm of acting. Winningham's multifaceted talents and genuine passion for her art have earned her respect and admiration from fans and peers alike, solidifying her status as a revered figure in the entertainment industry. Her enduring contributions to film, television, and music continue to resonate with audiences, making her a cherished talent in the hearts of many. Christopher Plummer, born on December 13, 1929, was a legendary Canadian actor known for his exceptional talent and illustrious career. In the 1983 television miniseries The Thorn Birds, Plummer portrayed Archbishop Vittorio Contini Vercese, a Vatican envoy who becomes entangled in the lives of the Cleary family. At the time of filming The Thorn Birds, Plummer was 53 years old, bringing gravitas and sophistication to the role of the enigmatic archbishop, adding depth to the complex narrative of love, ambition, and sacrifice. While The Thorn Birds is one of his notable roles, Plummer's cinematic legacy spans decades and includes a multitude of memorable performances. One of his most iconic roles came in the film The Sound of Music, 1965, where he portrayed Captain Georg von Trapp opposite Julie Andrews. Plummer's portrayal of the stern yet ultimately loving patriarch earned him critical acclaim and secured his place in cinematic history. As of March 26, 2024, Christopher Plummer passed away on February 5, 2021, at the age of 91.